Please keep them in your sight at all times, ensuring this rock, not large. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your steps and hold onto the handrail, especially when going up or down stairs or distant waterfalls. We hope you enjoy your boat tour to the falls. Thank you for choosing Niagara City Cruises.
Oh my God! Mashallah, mashallah.
On our way up the Niagara River, look to port or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left according to scientific study and historical research. It has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of the wind. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stops were performed from the Canadian Poultry Falls, which is more popular with its immense waistline of 1,075 feet or 528 meters wide. Its water flow is 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. In a recent notable waterfall, in 1954, a large section broke off near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridal Veil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is located on the mountain side, just to the road of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural wonder of the world, the Horseshoe Falls came to us from the crescent of a horseshoe-shaped business line, and the city of Niagara Falls in all its natural beauty continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its location. Erosion is a major issue associated with the Niagara Falls. The average rate of erosion for Niagara Falls is as much as 1 meter per year since the early 1990s. Since then, the water development channel with promotions for generating electricity energy across the waterfalls, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world, with a water flow at an average of 7,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls is from Palestine. The lake being floating in the water is by solid limestone, and is created naturally due to massive erosion forces propelled by it. A negative Canadian forest is 170 feet from the surface of the mountain. Because the lake coastline is 2,000 feet long, or 637 meters wide, and the depth of the water at the base of the falls is 184 feet, or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Oh, I think it's beautiful all wet.
Last night items, or join us dockside at the Riverside Patio Bar and Grill and enjoy Niagara wines, craft beer, and a selection of delicious entrees, snacks, or sweets. On behalf of Captain and crew, we thank you for sailing with Niagara City Cruises.